Hi guys, sorry I haven't done a video for a while. Thought I'd show you what's going on. It's extremely cold. Let's have a look at the small pond. See how that's doing in these very cold temperatures. So we've got some ice forming, but it's not too deep as you can see. So that's more or less a small pond as it's looking in this cold temperatures. Now what's very concerning at the moment, over by the big pond, as you can see I've attached the netting here with some cable ties to keep this more or less in place, and it is stopping some of the conifer fern tree leaves getting in, so that's okay. But what's concerning is I've got a problem with one of my fish, and it's very disappointing. You can see this is a fairly new fish and he doesn't look too happy. He's basically lying on his side, and I've got a sneaky suspicion it's the beginning of swim bladder disease. The other fish don't seem to be affected, but they are hiding out at the bottom there. I think it's probably about 0 degrees at the moment, as you can see. So they're right at the bottom there. So I'm obviously not too happy at the moment with what's going on with this fish. As you can see, he doesn't look very well, does he? So what I'm going to do is pull him out, put him into a small container, and just see how he does over the next day, and see if he comes back to life or recovers. But he doesn't look too happy, does he? Right everyone, I've just brought him indoors into this small light tank inside its container, just to get a good look of him. He's not obviously swimming upright, his fins are closed, he doesn't look very happy. So I'm not sure what the next step should be, as I'm not that experienced in treating fish. So I'm going to test the parameters of the water, see if we've got an issue, but it doesn't look too good. So I'm going to see if there's anything I can figure out with the test kit, Pond Lab NT Labs multi-test kit. So what am I testing, you might be asking? Well, I'm testing ammonia, nitrite, nitrate and pH. So obviously in the first test kit that we do, basically 5 drops of each. In here 5 drops of the nitrite, we put in 6 drops each of the nitrite, and 5 drops in the pH test. So the results I've got are quite inconclusive really. So looking at the test kit colour that I've got here, that would appear that my ammonia is fine. So looking at the nitrite, it's clear as day. I don't see anything there. The colour is clear basically. So looking in the nitrate, again clear, no problems there. My pH might be a little bit on the high side. It does appear to be pH level 8, and there's nothing there I can see that could cause my fish to be ill, unless it just doesn't like the cold temperatures. I suppose that's a possibility. So that's the test kit that I've been testing, the water level. And if we have a look, the fish is obviously not doing very well still. It's been in here about 10 minutes. So I'm going to put some air on with the little air pump thing we've got here. So basically I just plug that in. And that'll give us some oxygen into the actual little container we've got here. and I just want to see if I can get any sort of improvement with the temperatures, you know, being a bit more favourable. But otherwise, I'm going to have to think about other possible treatments. I think we're going to have to do some sort of scrape on this fish, probably, to see if I can see anything. But last time I tried that, there wasn't anything I could really see obvious. But let's see if it improves. But any sort of comments or suggestions would be helpful. But obviously you can see he's not doing too good. Zoom in there a little bit so you can see him a bit better. But yeah, he's not doing too good at the moment. Obviously, I do suspect it's probably swim bladder, because he's having a hard time staying upright. And normally when that sets in, it's sort of a slow process of them deteriorating and getting worse over time, and then eventually passing away. It's sad because I've not had this one that long. You know, I bought him in the summer, so yeah, it's a sad story. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think I should do next, and thanks for watching. I do appreciate you guys coming to the channel. I'm sorry I've not done anything for a while, but yeah, see you in the next one. Bye bye.